I'm about to do a test path on my mini CNC machine. It's just a test. I don't have any bits or anything like that. I just want to see if the thing will read paths. Let's try it. Send the code. Time zone. What it would be doing is cutting into metal right now. Supposed to be following these gear patterns. I don't want to tear anything up, so I'm just going to go and just spin the spindles and move the gears, doing a simulation. That way I don't break anything and don't spend any money on trying to see if it works. Spindle is spinning at 1,000 RPM. Seems to be doing pretty well. So I guess I'm satisfied with the ability for it to move. I'll put some work on the table. I'm going to build a box surrounding this with a vacuum on the edge, maybe here, a little miniature vacuum. Because I know Ashley is not going to want all this dust and debris flying all over the place, since this is a milling machine and does kick out a lot of dust since it's drilling. So I'll build one of those. But all in all, it seems like it's getting ready to go to the next gear in a minute, so we'll watch it hop. Okay, now it's hopping to the next gear. Go down. I like it.